Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have this very simple look, but it's not really about the look. I tried out a new foundation. Well, I got the sample from Sephora, but I tried the Dior foundation, I believe, but it's from Dior, and it's the 8N. I don't know, that's what they wrote for me here. It's like Dior 8N. Anyways, I tried out the foundation, and I just wanted to do something simple on the eyes, something, you know, and I was like, you know what, why not red lips? So I'm kind of feeling the look, and you know. Anyways, it's a foundation review video. I will talk about the foundation at the end of the video. Okay, all right, if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. So I'm starting off on freshly moisturized face, and I'm going to use my Makeup Forever smoothing primer and my Estee Lauder mattifying primer. I'm putting the Makeup Forever all over my face as per usual, and then I'm just putting the mattifying primer in my T-zone. Now I'm going to apply my foundation. This is a Dior foundation. I'm just like, okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, it's not bad. It's very red, but it blends out really nice, as you will see in the video. But I was a bit like worried, but it has a nice like scent to it. Yep, it smelled nice. I can't even remember what it smelled like, but it had a nice scent to it. So now I'm just blending it out and just trying to see, you know, what it's looking like so far before I finish off my face. It blends out nice, but you can see from my neck, you can see from like my neck area that I have like a yellow undertone. So with my foundation, I like it to sort of match that. So as you can see, it's a bit red compared to like my neck area and stuff, but when I blend it out and I apply concealer and finish off my face, you cannot really tell, but for the most part it has a red undertone if you do decide to get this foundation. Just applying my LA Girl Pro concealer as per usual. This is like the only concealer I use, to be honest. So I'm just using this flat brush to just apply that all over my face, and I'm going to blend. So it's basically my regular face routine and everything. I'm just trying out a new foundation basically. So oh, excuse me, I'm just gonna apply that, and then I'm going to quickly blend that out. This process is sped out, but I have a very detailed foundation routine. If you would like to see that, I'm just gonna leave that right up there now. So just click on it and you'll watch it. It's pretty much the same thing, to be honest. So I'm just blending and blending and blending. You want to make sure that your face is very much blended, and I really like it blended. As you can see, it's like, okay, it's looking good now. So I'm just setting my face using a combination of my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium and my Espon translucent powder and my Black Radiance True Complexion powder. I love this, the combination of the three. I just mix it up in a container and I just use that. You want to make sure you press that in. Going into my Morphe 35OM palette as per usual. This is just what I use to contour my face. I just take those dark colors and I just contour my face with it. Just cleaning up the contour with the setting powder, just applying some setting powder, and I'm just cleaning that up. I take that off immediately. I don't really let that sit for long. I just take it off immediately. Now I'm taking my MAC NW58 translucent my MAC NW58 powder. I'm just blending my face, and I just go back with some more contour powder, and then I just recontour my face and my nose and blend again. Now I'm going into this Urban Decay Alice in the Wonderland, I think, eyeshadow palette. I'm just taking that nice color. You can't really see it on me because I'm dark, but maybe if I had like a lighter eyeshadow base, you will definitely see it. But it's a very, very beautiful, like, coffee brown. I love it. And then inside there, I'm just applying that other color. I'm not sure, I really wasn't going to do anything with my eyes, but then I was just like, let me just do something different, so it's not like a basic foundation routine video. So I'm just going to this Zulu palette, Festival palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just applying that on top because I felt like the white wasn't really going with it. This kind of gave me a hard time, I'm not gonna lie, because trying to blend it wasn't working as well as I thought, so I just kept going back and forth and blending. It was supposed to be something simple, but it ended up stressing my life out. Anyways, we're done with that. I'm just dragging the shimmer color in. Now I'm just going to do like the extended wing. I normally don't do wings, but I wanted to do something different, so like a light wing out and wing in. That even makes sense, like your regular wing, and then I'm just bringing it in a little bit just to give, like, that nice cat eye look. I really like this, but I don't really do it often because sometimes if you just make mistake like this, it's how to fix that mistake right there. But anyways, now to highlight my brow bone and my face, I'm just going to take those two highlighters there, the combination of the two. I really like them, from my Juvia's Place blush 2 palette. You can see the difference between a highlighted brow bone and the one that isn't. You can definitely tell. I love highlighting my brow bone, you guys know that. Then I'm just highlighting the rest of my face with those two eyeshadows, just going back and forth, and we're going to give us some highlight. Okay, it was a bit too much, so I went in with my powder brush and then I just sort of cleaned it up. So my cupid's bow and then the bridge of my nose. I'm just taking those two blushes and I'm gonna blush up my face, giving it some color. And then I'm going with this Bare Minerals highlighter that I really love. You won't really see it, to be honest, but it sort of smooths out the highlight underneath it. Like, you will not really tell the difference so much, but it's there. It's so subtle and beautiful. Anyways, I just go back with my contour brush to recontour, and that's it. Then I'm gonna spray my Scandinavia Bridal Setting Spray. Very easy peasy. You want to fan that in immediately. Then I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm not applying any to my lower lash line because I wanted that crisp look. Using my MAC Night Moth lip liner, I'm just lining my lips before I apply my lipstick. Yay! These are the very rare occasions that I don't use my brow pencil. Oh my, I always use my brow pencil to line my lips. Using Fenty, it's been a while I did some color, so I'm just applying this all over. I do like a double coat. I apply the first layer, then I go back again to apply. I really love this lipstick, especially the mouth of the applicator thingy. Like, it's very easy to apply. Anyways, you can leave it like this, but I like to go back and reline. I don't know, I feel like my lips is like it's just pouring. There's no So I like to reline it, not all the time. There are times when I wear it like that though, and it's pretty, so it's just preference. So guys, this is the finished look. Like I said, very simple. It's a very simple eye look. For the foundation, as you can see during the video, it was a bit red. Not a bit, it reminds me of my Fenty. Where is my Fenty? My Fenty 470. I realized I'm actually a 480 instead of 470 because that's like a bit too red for me. It oxidizes. This one settled in really nice. I love how it turned out. You can't really tell at the end of the video how it was while I was filming. First impression is not too bad. It's a bit too red. I have more of a yellow undertone, so but it's a bit too red for me. Anyways, yeah, if you did like the video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. All right, bye guys, remain blessed. I love you. I love you more.